Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a backup of Postgres database and then how to restore it. So first we need to create backup. There is this command which is called pg_dump, and you can always use help to see what options you can pass. There are a lot of options here. So let's just get started by backing up my database. Let's type pg dump space dash f capital C. We will be using custom format. Then next you need to specify host where you connecting to your database. I'm connecting to localhost. Then you also need to specify username. I will be using my db user. What else we need? So then we need to specify our target database. I will be backing up this database which is called db111. And finally we need to specify file name where we want to save our file, and let's say it will be db111.dump. So that's it, I think. So we just need to press enter password for your db user. I will enter mine, and let's get a listing of our files. So here you can see this is the file backup of our database db111.dump. So now before restoring it, we also need to create our target database. So let's do that quickly. I will log in as Postgres user, and now we can create our database by using this command create db. Let's say we will be restoring it to db222, and owner will be the same, dash o capital and then db user. So press enter and it will create database for us. So I will log out from this shell, and now we are ready to restore it. So to restore, there is similar command which is called pg_restore space then dash d small d and then database name where you want to restore it. So I want to this db222, and then we also need to specify host, the same host, localhost in my case. Also you need to specify user, how you want to connect to your database. So I will be using my user, db user. And finally you just need to specify path to your backup file, which is db111.dump in my case. And after that you just need to press enter the password for your database user, press enter. It will show some warnings, but there is no problem with that. So now we can try to log into our new database by typing this command postgresql and then -h and then specify the host. I'm using localhost -u db user, and the target database is db222. Just once press enter password for your user, and this is the database, the shell. So now you can get listing of your tables by using this command /d+. So here is the tables. So this is it for this tutorial. Now you know how to restore your database. This is the command. Also you know how to backup your database. This is another command by using pg dump. So that's it, and thanks for watching.